What to do to create more fun in your relationship. Here are the first 5 things that you can do. And I'm sure if none of these work for you, pick your own. One, choose something that brings both of you joy. It doesn't matter what it is. And what I mean by joy, you're like, yeah, let's go to that movie. Let's go see that now. Let's go, kick back and have popcorn. I don't care if it's in Spanish or if it's in English or if it's subtitles or not. Let's just go because we just like being there. Like something of a common interest, go. 2, what to do to have fun? Find something that you enjoy celebrating together. Is it socializing with people? Or is it going out to dinner with people, or going out dressing up and celebrating each other and telling each other, gratitudes about each other? That could be fun. Every once in a while, number 3 could be you get to pick something and the other person kind of has to do it. One day I went to, oh God, what was it called? It was like, you're like in this room with 5 people that you don't know and you have to find clues to get you out of it or something. I would never have chosen to do that. But I did, and it was fun, and I learned something. Would I do it again? Probably not. But if another opportunity comes up, I might. And then the other person gets to choose something, and you just go with it just to see, right, what each other are curious about. You might learn something, you might not. 4, that's the next one. Learn something new together. If the other part of you, I don't want to say the other part of you, but if your co-creator, your partner, loves to do something, find out what they love about that. And you share something that you love and engage with it together. Why not? And 5, do something that's fun for yourself and really support the other person to do something fun for themselves. So you have your together, you have your surprises, you have your alone time, and you have curiosity, and you have fun and enjoyment together. Take that trip. Go somewhere you always wanted to go. Plan it in the future. Random acts that take you out of your daily pragmatic routine. That'll make it more fun. If you like what I had to say here, please let me know in the comments. If you'd like to share something else, please put that in the comments. Like the channel here, share it, hit the bell if you'd like to be notified when more videos become available and more topics are discussed.